Hello, puzzle creators! We've already talked about the math in Puzzle 3.1 Movie Poll from Montague Island Mysteries by R. Wayne Schmittberger. Let's look at another distinctive aspect of this puzzle. The background story has all the characters writing down the titles of their favorite movies. In a typical logic grid puzzle, each character would write down a different title. Then the solver knows that an O here, for example, which means a certain movie is a yes for a certain character, implies that that same movie has to be a no for all the other characters. So by that logic, this one O lets the solver fill in all these X's automatically. But in Movie Poll, that constraint where each character prefers a different movie is not present. This puzzle is much more like real life. In real life, my favorite movie might be the same as my friend's favorite movie, and in puzzles like Movie Poll, that is what happens. So now the solver needs to consider how many people named each movie as their favorite. And look at this, when single rows or columns are allowed to have multiple yes answers, the grid might not be square. Wow, that's really not your typical logic grid puzzle. So give it a try. Allowing columns or rows to have multiple yes answers makes puzzles extra challenging